At 3:51 a.m., a cargo flight of Luxembourg-based Cargolux Airlines International landed at the Zhengzhou Xinjiang International Airport.
本次航班从卢森堡直飞郑州，计划2个半小时，卸载110吨，装载130吨。操作过程中，希望大家注意安全。
Working at 2 a.m. every day is a norm for Chen and his colleagues. The Zhengzhou-Luxembourg International Freight Route was launched in 2014 after Hernan's Civil Aviation Development and Investment Co. Limited acquired a 35% stake in Cargolux Airlines International, which operates the biggest all-cargo airline in Europe. This air freight service currently operates in 15 cities, including London, Chicago and Milan, connecting Europe, Asia and the United States, with Zhengzhou at its core.
现在是凌晨4点，我们卢货航航班 CV4481正在紧张有序地进行操作。我在卢货航郑州站工作9年了，在这9年间，我见证了卢货航航班在郑州越飞越多，也见证了郑卢空中丝绸之路越飞越广。
In the early morning, flight CV4481 departs for Chicago fully loaded. Thanks to the stable and smooth operation of the Air Silk Road between Zhengzhou and Luxembourg, more Chinese e-commerce companies choose to send their products to customers overseas from here.
我们朗天公司是卢货航的深度合作伙伴。由于跨境电商蓬勃发展，今年公司加大了卢货航仓位的采购，货物从国内集散到郑州，再通过卢货航运送至欧洲国家进行清关，基本在3天内可以实现。
Cargolux Airlines has so far set up 19 stations in Asia, of which the Zhengzhou-Luxembourg route covers 8 stations. The Asia-Pacific market is an important driver for Cargolux's business. In June, President and CEO of Cargolux Airlines Richard Forson held a meeting of professional managers of Cargolux.
It played a very important role during the COVID pandemic in allowing supplies to be flown from China to Europe and to the rest of the world as well. So it is a very important hub in our global network.
The Belt and Road Initiative is a global logistic strategy development strategy to connect China with hundreds of cities around the world. It's a resuscitation of the old Silk Road that existed.
Last year, the International Civil Aviation Organization member states adopted a goal to achieve net zero carbon emissions from international aviation by 2050. To follow the goal, the Zhengzhou-Luxembourg freight flights of Cargolux started to use sustainable aviation fuels provided by China National Aviation Fuel Group Corporation in June.
We are looking forward to seeing what progress we can make with our suppliers of fuel in China in order to reach our goal of ultimately being carbon neutral as an airline by 2050.
As low-carbon alternatives to traditional jet fuels, sustainable aviation fuels are made up of a range of feedstocks, including animal fats, oils, waste crops, biomass, and more.
可持续航空燃料的原料部分来源于地沟油为主的植物油脂。中国航油在郑州实现了向境外飞机提供可持续航空燃料，用于跨境飞行。目前也在持续提升可持续航空燃料保障能力。
河南航投将探索与卢森堡金融机构合作，发行绿色债券，以绿色金融为切口，撬动对产业的投资。通过强化清洁能源合作，助力可持续航空燃料研发制造等措施积极参与服务 SAF 在郑卢空中丝路的应用。